anymore why things are so damn difficult. How are they surviving out there? Somebody asked me everywhere I go, no vacancy, no vacancy, no vacancy. Well, I don't know why. Somebody asked me why. Because I'm losing it, I'm gradually losing it, and I'm going fucking nuts about it.
If anything happens to my daughter, I will never forgive you.
How dare you make a mockery of my pain? I lost the 4-year-old son. I lost the essence of womanhood. I lost a child.
I have had enough. I'm not going to ask them, or you are not going to ask him for anything anymore. Now, if we were even stuck on a desert island and Robbie was the last person to ask for money, I won't.
We can have a child.
You need a child, and you need a surrogate mother. I'll do it.
Why have you chosen to betray me?
That I am not giving you my baby again.
I can't believe this. What have you turned yourself into, Rachel? Who did you sell your soul to?
I'm sure you want to hear me say the devil. But I'm sorry to disappoint you, husband. I have sold my soul to the tears I shed from Karen. And God has compensated me with a new baby.
Damn sure you sold that soul at a very cheap price then.
$1 million. $1 million.
Kojo, you expect me to pay that? What did you tell them?
We don't have mattresses here. Ken's lawyers agreed that you pay for the compensation. If you don't pay, you go back to court and she goes to jail.
She can go to jail for all I care. Hell knows what she was thinking before she pulled this stupid stunt.
This is not the time to point accusing fingers at each other. We have to decide what to do.
Why should I pay for something that never happened?
Maybe the rape did not happen, but the scandal, the job loss, the court case, they happened. If you ask me, paying the out-of-court settlement is a jackpot.
Can't we negotiate?
Yes, we can. That's why I arranged for a meeting tomorrow morning to sort out the modalities.
Oh, senseless. Childish. This girl has refused to grow.
You are the one who refused to grow up, Mom.
Did you talk to me?
I did it because of you.
Can we have some calm here?
Don't you dare play the peacemaker here, because you're as guilty as sin in this case. I know you're dirty little.
You know, Chifa is too young to know what kind of money she has waiting for her. Since she can't lay claim on the money, I would like to have it to settle certain issues. And we'll pay before anyone finds out.
That is risky, Sally. What if...
Oh, please, Kojo. Stop being a baby. And not after all that we've gone through. Just a little adjustment to the will, and we'll be fine.
And I know you're having an affair. An illicit one. I know you've been giving out money meant for me to a man.
How did you know about this? I was suspicious, especially after I spotted him at that place. I mean, it's pretty unusual for him to be there, right? So I decided to investigate.
Why are you showing this to me? What is this?
Let me get straight to the point. I have something you want, and you have something I want.
And what would that be?
Money! Lots
lots of cash. And I also know about your crush on Prof. Ken. Naughty. Don't be so surprised. I know a lot more than you can imagine. And if you play accordingly, you get paid. And you also get the Prof as a bonus.
I know. We have to be careful. Technically, the money belongs to her. But according to her father's will, she can't have it till she's 27. Oh, honey, I'm working on it. It's just difficult as people have started raising eyebrows. Honey, you know I love you and I'll do anything for you. Oh, Chifa. She's just a little girl. She can't come between us. Honey, I love you. Okay, see ya.
That conversation was enough reason for me to go see Estella that night. The night that broke my heart. We decided to put that stance because we knew you would react like a wounded lion. With the impression that the professor was sleeping with mother and daughter. And you reacted exactly as we expected.
Animal!
You are the animal, Mom. You humiliate my father in life and death.
If you're feeling so bad about it, why didn't you just call your mother and discuss with her like mother and daughter?
Correction. Stepmother.
You are one good lawyer, Kevin.
I didn't believe they would agree to such a settlement.
I told you I got your back. And guess what? We're sending the check tomorrow. And the necessary document will be signed.
Thanks for all your help. Look, you are a true friend.
A true friend that will not forget to take his 10% when the cash is paid. Yes. Cheers. To more rape cases.
You're crazy.
This had better be important, Sally.
She knows about it.
I don't have time for guessing games, Sally. Who knows what?
Jifa knows about us.
She knows everything.
Estella claims she has pictures.
Is that why you called me here? Oh, man, is that my problem?
Imagine what will happen if that gets to the press. We'll be ruined.
Now you are afraid of humiliation. You weren't thinking about that when you made a total mess of my image to the whole of Ghana. Now you want me to be concerned about some stupid pictures?
She said you raped her. And what do you expect me to do?
Find out the truth!
Oh, I made it up to you. I gave you $800,000 as compensation.
Even if you had paid me $10 million, it still wouldn't have made up for the injustice you did to me. Never!
She told me you raped her. I lost it. I didn't have a choice. I'm sorry.
So am I.
We are sorry for the decision the board took. We were just following standard procedure in the interest of everyone, including you. You'll be reinstated, double promotion, and your salary increased by 70%.
I beg you, sir, but I'm sorry I'm not interested.
Okay. We can't afford to lose you.
That's very generous of you, sir. But if I was guilty, I'm sure you wouldn't have made this call, and the school board would have moved on with their lives.
You are one of our finest.
Please forget about me, sir, and move on. Stupid bunch of lowlifes. Janet, I was going to be sent to jail, and you bailed out on me. You condemned me even before the trial. And now you expect me to throw all that away and assume it never happened?
I made a mistake. I'll make it up to you. I promise. Cat, please.
Go back to your dad. I'm sure he has a lot of work for you. As usual.
What is $800,000 divided by 3? 26666.67 dollars.
You already got the maths worked out, right?
Hey, when it comes to money, everybody's a mathematician.
And that, I just got off the phone with my lawyer, Kevin. Now, he said he's paid the check into my account. And it'll take 4 working days for it to clear. After that, we'll be smiling in the Bahamas and what? Singing hallelujah.
Oh. I can just imagine what's going through my mother's mind right now. Me, I can't wait to get my hands on that cash.
And that brings me to my next point. Now, we have to be very careful how we spend cash from now. Now, people know I was settled heavily, and they will expect that my lifestyle changes. But for both of you, on the other hand, you'll have to continue with your regular lives. Any unusual expenditure, and the people will be suspicious. Especially you, Estella.
But what's the use making money if you can't spend it?
Estella, Prof has a point. We need to lay low for a while.
Yeah, I can't promise you that. A girl needs to chill, oh. Hey.
I'm sorry about that, Estella. But it's for our good. You'll have to hang in there a bit longer.
Okay, I like to use the washroom.
Now it's just you and I. So, what are you going to do with me? Thought I'm really gonna run away with you, you monster. I know you were sleeping with my mother while my father was alive. He caught you in the act and died of heart attack. God, I've been waiting for this day all my life.
Chifa, what is it?
Shh. And listen to me carefully. I know about you and my mother. I know the dirty secrets you share. I also have pictures to prove the unholy affair. It would be so unfair to expose my darling professor in such a devastating manner.
What do you want, Chifa?
I want you, Professor. Make love to me now and forever, and I'll open your eyes to good fortune.
Saw them together.
But he told me there's nothing going on between them. Okay, keep your eyes on them. I'll talk to you later. You're sleeping with her. You're banking Estella. Deny it.
Why would you say that?
The same reason you didn't tell me both of you dated about a year ago.
We didn't date. She just had a crush on me and she told me. I explained to her that it wouldn't work. That was it. I swear. There wasn't and still isn't anything going on between Estella and I.
Are you sure?
I promise you. I won't let you down. I love you.
Ken,
Yeah, Estella.
We have to get rid of Estella tonight.
we must kill her tonight.
We can't kill her.
I don't trust her.
She'll betray us. I can read her like a book.
We must poison her.
Poison? Isn't there any other way?
All die be die. I'll bring the champagne. You take care of the other stuff.
Be a man and don't fail me.
Okay.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you too.